Every Temu free gift tutorial says the same thing. Use this trick, enter this code, get free stuff instantly. But somehow, after watching the whole video, people still don't understand why the rewards work for some users and not others. So let's do this properly. Not another fake secret hack, not random clickbait codes. I'm going to show you the exact thing that finally made the app start giving me better coupon deals, stronger rewards, and actual free gift progress. The biggest misunderstanding is this. People think any Temu code works the same. That's completely wrong. I tested random coupon codes first. Some barely changed the discounts. Some did literally nothing. And honestly, most felt outdated. Then I used the code on screen before browsing anything. And that was the first time the app actually reacted differently. Immediately, I started seeing bigger coupon bundles, extra discount offers, bonus rewards, and the free gift section finally unlocked properly. That's when I realized something important. The code isn't just for checkout savings. It actually changes the reward system the app starts showing you. And timing matters too, because when I waited until checkout to activate the code, the rewards were way weaker. But when I activated the code first before browsing, the offers instantly looked more aggressive. That's the part most tutorials never explain clearly. The app decides what kind of offers to push early. So if you start browsing randomly first, you usually miss the stronger coupon bundles and reward offers. Now here's the actual process that worked best for me. First, enter through the promotion. Second, activate the code shown on screen immediately, then start browsing. That order changed everything. The app suddenly started stacking higher discounts, better coupon deals, extra reward offers, and stronger free gift progress together. I even tested random codes afterward just to compare, and honestly, the difference was obvious. Smaller deals, weaker rewards, almost no stacked offers. That's why I stopped trusting random working codes online. The code on screen was the first one that actually made the app feel upgraded instead of normal. Now let's keep this completely real. Does this guarantee massive rewards instantly? No. Can some offers still vary by account? Definitely. But compared to every random method I tested before, this was the first one that actually explained why the reward system changes and triggered noticeably better deals at the same time. Try the code on screen before browsing and tell me, did your app instantly start showing stronger coupons and free gift rewards too?